Hi everyone, we're going to simplify the following radical expressions, 1 and 2. This one's a little hard, the second one, so let's start with the first one. If you're not using a calculator, what I suggest you do is break this down in terms of cube roots. So I know the cube root of 8 is 2, so I can write this as 8 times 3, and then I have multiply this by 7 cube root of 18. I can't break out 18 with the cube roots I have. So basically, just to simplify this is going to be cube root of 8 is 2. So you have 2 times 2 cube root of 3 times 7 cube root of 18. Now, that's 4. And now we can multiply. So this is going to be 4 times 7 is 28. And you're going to do cube root of 3 times 18, which is 60, what is that? 54. I can also break this up with 27, because 27 times 2 is 54. So I can break this up further as 28 times cube root of 27 times 2. So basically, cube root of 27 is 3. So you have 28 times 3 times cube root of 2. Now 28 times 3 is 84, and you're left with cube root of 2. So this would be your final answer. Now on the second one, we're going to have to rationalize the denominator. When you're doing exponents, you cannot have a radical in the denominator. So the first thing I'm going to do is just break this up. 4th root of 8 divided by 4th root of 9a cubed. And to get rid of the radical in the denominator, you multiply it by whatever this is. So that's going to be 4th root of 9a cubed. And whatever you multiply in the denominator, you also have to multiply in the numerator. All right. So for the numerator, we're going to get 4th root of 72. You can multiply everything in here. 72a cubed. Denominator, you're going to get 4th root of 81 times a cubed times a cubed. This is going to be a to the 6th. So we're going to rewrite this as 4th root of 72 a cubed divided by, we can break this down. The 4th root of 81 is 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 81. So I can bring out the 3, and I have the 4th root of a to the 6th. We have 3 here, 3 here, so that's a to the 3 plus 3. Now, furthering this out, I can rewrite this as 4th root of 72 times the 4th root of a cubed. In the denominator, I'm going to have 3 times, and I'm going to write this as 4th root of a to the 4th times a squared. All right, and that's going to give me 3 times, these will cancel, so you just get 3a 4th root of a squared. Then we have the 4th root of 72. Oops. 72. Why did I do that? Times 4th root of a cubed. All right, so I'm going to write this again on the next slide. If I can remember it. Okay, let's see if I can remember this. I might have to go back. So we have fourth root of 72 times fourth root of a, what was it, cubed, divided by 3a fourth root of a squared. Now, looking at this part here, I can rewrite this fourth root of a cubed divided by a squared. So that's going to be fourth root of a. And that's in the numerator because this divides out. So our final answer is going to be fourth root of 72 times fourth root of a. These would cancel out to this, divided by 3a. And finally, I'm going to put this all under the same radical. So it's fourth root of 72a divided by 3a. And that would be your final answer. You do not want a radical in the denominator. And the reason for that is when you go higher up in mathematics, it's very hard to work with radicals in the denominator. So you really want to get rid of them. All right, that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.